In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals is not launching or opening on Steam. The first thing is you want to head over to Steam and go to Properties. In here find Installed Files. Then you want to press on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now after it's done verifying, you want to check if it works now, and if it still doesn't, you want to head over to Browse, find the exe launcher, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. After you've done that, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, you can try and enable this one, apply an OK, and see if that one works. Now, if none of these work, I suggest you head over to the firewall, allow an app, change settings, see if it's in here, and then check all three boxes. If it's not in here, you want to press allow another app, add, and then you just want to find in browse, you want to find the folder that you have here and add the .exe file. Press open and add it, and then it should arrive in here. After you've done all of this, try and restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.